E-commerce and online business is a steadily growing world. With increasing buying force and worldwide shoppers, the expansion of social media users, and the persistently advancing innovation and technology, the eventual future of e-commerce is more vigorous as ever. Social shopping is rising. Online sellers can do more than promoting on social media like Facebook and Instagram. With the improvements of online media's selling abilities, online media currently permit clients to comfortably and immediately buy items up there. Social media like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest offered the buy button and made huge improvements. Their social selling, for example, enabled its shoppable post option, permitting organizations to empower item labels in their posts and item stickers in stories. This trend saves time and energy for customers to do their shopping via online media. Online business delivery drones, flying robots, controlled manually or programmed to fly all alone. Indeed, people foresee that later on, robots will actually replace order agents by delivering requests to clients. Drones are certainly quicker than people. This will fundamentally cut the delivery time, so orders will be delivered quicker than ever. This will surely help online businesses and clients. The costs will be a lot lower for organizations and individuals. Voice e-commerce. We all know voice-enabled search assistants like Siri and Bixby. Nonetheless, what you probably don't know is that these innovations can be utilized in online commerce and are very famous among people, particularly 20 to 23 years old. As a matter of fact, Insights anticipated that half of online search will be voice-based by 2023. Anyway, what does this have to do with online business? All things considered, as far as web-based shopping, there will be an ever-increasing number of individuals who are dependent on Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, or comparative applications for the purpose of shopping. This implies that you need to adjust your keywords. Voice e-commerce is certainly setting down deep roots, particularly as increasingly more voice search assistants are brought into the mix. Online business, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is starting to implant itself into all parts of our lives. For the developing number of self-checkout sales registers to cutting-edge security checks at the airports, AI is just everywhere. Probable future of AI assistants will actually want to do many undertakings, such as dealing with any various forms of feedback the clients have, or basically managing the store and orders. Probable future of AI assistants will actually want to do many undertakings, such as dealing with any various forms and feedbacks the clients have, or basically managing the store and orders. As AI frameworks advance, it'll take on various assignments, which is the reason specific individuals expect that AI will begin ruling the business space. Incorporating AI in an online business seems like a brilliant and productive thought right way. This could bring about smoother and quicker experience for the customers. New payment choices will arise. Payment choices are one of the fundamental drivers why clients will push an exchange. Without their preferred accessible payment channel, they won't buy from your web-based store. This is the reason to remain profitable. Consider new payment structures which your potential customer requests. Right now, advanced wallets, for example, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google, or Samsung Pay, are broadly carried out by e-commerce organizations. This permits individuals to make buys online accordingly, permitting rich shopping experience. What's more, individuals are requesting these sorts of advanced payments. Most of people expect that online payments will replace money and cards by 2030. One more payment choice currently is cryptocurrency. Up to this point, we can see crypto being utilized for large deals. Although Overstock cooperated with Shift to use 60 crypto as payment. Obviously, with the requirements for other payment choices expanded, some e-commerce websites made their own payment gateway. Shopify and Shopbase made a platform for online sellers to make a print-on-demand or dropshipping website on their own. So there is no need for third-party gateway anymore. For both businesses and customers, the future of e-commerce will definitely be full of exciting changes and breakthroughs. It's critical to maintain your finger on the pulse of changes in the e-commerce industry, whether you're an entrepreneur or work for an e-commerce company.